Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lesson number 1.3 on wings of courage. See, here warming up are given. The ranks of an officer in Indian Army, Navy and Air Force are jumbled up. Discuss with your group and put them in the appropriate boxes. See, your names are given: Commander, Brigadier, Wing Commander, Vice Admiral, Squadron Leader, everything. You have to select proper names and put it in the boxes. Okay, Army, Navy, Air Force. Now in the second one, it is homophones and homographs. Make sentence to bring out the difference between where and where. Okay, these are homophones. Where and where, you can find the difference. You have to write different sentences. Here, there. Okay, write what the underlined homographs in the following sentence mean. See, this is called homograph. Spellings are same, but as it is in different two sentences, it means different in both the sentence. A bear is an omnivorous animal. They are talking about the bear. She could not bear the injustice, means she can't tolerate the injustice. The spellings are same, but it is the meaning is totally different in both the sentences. तो ये homograph होता है. This is a bat is only a bird, which is a mammal. Is bat broke as it struck the ball. You can find the difference in sentences. That is difference. That shows the differences in the homograph. Now let's go with our lesson on wings of courage. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of the Indian military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Okay, we are talking about the Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, who is supposed to be said as the Indian icons military in the history of India. Will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a Indian Air Force during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. मतलब उस वॉर जो हुआ था, इंडो पाक वॉर हुआ था, उसमें उनका एक बहुत बड़ा हाथ रहा है. उनने इतिहास रचा है, उसमें उन्होंने एक नाम बनाया, एक विक्ट्री दिलाई है एयरफोर्स के लिए. द ओनली ऑफिसर टू अटेंड द हाईएस्ट पोस्ट ऑफ द मार्शल, द एयरफोर्स इक्वलेंट टू द आर्मी स्टार फील्ड मार्शल. द ओनली ऑफिसर टू अटेंड द हाईएस्ट पोस्ट ऑफ द मार्शल. ओके, वो एक अकेले इंसान व्यक्ति थे जिनको ये मार्शल का पदवी दिया गया था. द एयरफोर्स इक्वलेंट टू द आर्मीज 5 स्टार फील्ड मार्शल, मीन्स एयरफोर्स के जो मार्शल है वो इक्वलेंट टू द आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स. दे आर डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द फोर्सेस वी हैव. तो एयरफोर्स का जो मार्शल है वो इसकी जो इक्वलेंट के कितने हैं, मतलब आर्मी के जो है 5 स्टार फील्ड मार्शल होते हैं, उनके इक्वलेंट होते हैं. मतलब 5 आर्मी के स्टार फील्ड मार्शल और 1 एयरफोर्स के मार्शल, ये एक बराबर होता है. सिंह वॉज अ फियरलेस एंड एक्सेप्शनल पायलट हु हैड फ्लोन मोर देन 60 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट. ओके, ही वॉज ए फियरलेस एंड ए गुड एक्सीलेंट पायलट हु फ्लोन मोर देन 60 डिफरेंट एयरक्राफ्ट. मतलब अलग अलग एयरक्राफ्ट होते हैं एयरफोर्स में, उसको उन्होंने उड़ाया है. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces globally and the 4th biggest in the world. His contribution to the Indian force is monumental to the least. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense and is therefore not surprising that he was honored by the rank of Air Force Marshal. Former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kark said. मतलब he played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent के ये meaning was given powerful and effective air forces. मीन्स he has turned the air force into very powerful and effective forces globally, मतलब overall the world, and the fourth biggest in the world. His contribution to the Indian force is monumental. See the meaning, monumental means great importance and enormous. मतलब उनकी जो ये है contribution, it is very important in the name of the air force. The IAF grew with him. The Indian Air Force जो है उसकी growth इनकी वजह से हुई. He was the epitome of the military leadership in the classical sense. Epitome is the meaning given. A perfect example. Okay, he was a perfect example of the military leadership. Military leadership के एक perfect जो हम लोग उदाहरण देते किसी के बारे में एग्जाम्पल देते, he is the right person for that. Not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kak said, okay, he was talking about he was the right person to get this ऐसे मार्शल, मतलब वो एक ऐसे he is a capable person, तो he is the right person to be a marshal in the Air Force. Singh was honored with the rank of marshals on the Republic Day of 2002. Sam Ormuzji, Premji, Jamshedji, Manik Shah and K.M. Cariappa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. See, only two को किसके बारे में बताया? K.M. Cariappa was the one person, and the Sam Ormuzji, Premji, जमशेदजी, मानिक शाह, ये दो व्यक्ति ऐसे थे जिनको एक फील्ड मार्शल का ये रैंक मिला गया था. Known as the man of few words, Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had a profound knowledge about air power and applied it in the wide spectrum of the areas. Means जिस तरह उनका नाम है उनके बारे में बताया जाता है वैसे ही वो व्यक्ति थे. He was a fearless pilot and vast knowledge of about the air power and applied it, and जहाँ उनको जितनी नॉलेज थी वो उसका अप्लाइड करते थे इन द वाइड स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ द एरियाज, मतलब जहाँ जहाँ उन्हें अपनी नॉलेज को इस्तेमाल करना है, उसे एक्सप्लोर करना है, वहाँ पे वो उस एरिया में इस्तेमाल करते थे, उनकी कुशलता दिखाते थे. सिंह हैड assiduously led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistan Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during the war, said Kak. Okay, what is this? Assiduously means working hard and showing careful attention to the details, मतलब बहुत परिश्रम करना, तक ये करना, ध्यान देना, और जो even the smaller details of the enemies used to hear it properly, used to understand it, और उसको हर एक बारीकी को समझ के वो एक्शन लेते थे. 1965 का वॉर था जो पाकिस्तान के साथ एयरफोर्स के साथ, बिसाइड्स पाकिस्तान को एयरफोर्स को अमेरिका का सपोर्ट था, इसके बावजूद भी बीइंग एंड नो सपोर्ट फ्रॉम एनी अदर थिंग, लोग ने ये हासिल किया, जीत हासिल की थी. इस मोस्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन फॉर डूरिंग द वॉर, जो 1965 में जो वॉर हुआ उसमें इनकी बहुत बड़ी हाथ रहा है, contribution रहा है. Commending his role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan, the defense minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, an excitable but very able leader. Commanding, okay, means official praising, मतलब official praising किया जाता है लोगों को, ऐसे लोग तो बोलते is the role of a war. Commending his role in the war. Y.B. Chauhan, the defense, he was the defense minister during that time. 1965 टाइम के जो थे Y.B. Chauhan थे, वो डिफेंस मिनिस्टर थे. He has written that Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person. इसे वो एक हीरा है, एक इंसान की तरफ एक हीरा है. Quite efficient and firm. He was quite efficient, उसमें काफ़ी सारी कैपेबिलिटी उनमें थी और वो very firm at his decisions and all. अनएक्साइटेबल, बहुत एक्साइटेड नहीं होता था उनको, जो भी एक्शंस रहते थे वो लेते थे. एंड ही वॉज एज एबल लीडर ओवर देयर. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Imphal campaign, and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces of Yangon, formerly Rangoon. मतलब पहले रंगून बोलते थे, अभी यंगांव करके है, यंगून करके. ओके. तो 1944 Marshall led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial यानी उस टाइम को जापानीज के अगेंस्ट उन्होंने ये किया था कैंपेनिंग. इन रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ हिज फीट, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia, first Indian pilot to have received it. Singh was selected for the Empire Pilot Training Course for Royal Air Force RAF Cranwell in 1938. When he was 19 years old, he retired from the service in 1969. ओके. ही वॉज रिकॉग्नाइज, उनके काम में ना उनको रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया है. ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड एज अ डिस्टिंग्विश्ड फ्लाइंग क्रॉस, दैट इज DFC, ऑन द स्पॉट बाय द सुप्रीम एलाइड कमांडर ऑफ साउथ ईस्ट एशिया, यानी उन्होंने उनको अवार्ड दिया. सिंह वॉज सेलेक्टेड फॉर द एम्पायर पायलट ट्रेनिंग, उनको सेलेक्ट किया गया था एम्पायर पायलट ट्रेनिंग के लिए कोर्स एट रॉयल एयरफोर्स RAF Cranwell in 1938. when he was just 19 years old. See, at the age of 19 years, he was selected as a for Empire Pilot Training course. Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lailpur, now Faisalabad, Pakistan, and completed his education at the Montgomery, now Sahiwal, Pakistan. Okay. ये अभी के जो रिसेंट नाम है वो है सहीवाल. फर्स्ट इट इज़ Montgomery. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes in the northern western frontier province as member of the number 1 RIAS squadron. Biplane, see what is the meaning? All type of aircraft having two pairs of wings, one above the other. See, this is what is definitions. मतलब बताया गया कि what is biplanes. Okay, it is a aircraft, that is a plane having two pairs of wings. दो wings होते हैं, one above the other. Now you can find that it's side by side होते हैं प्लेन के, पर ये जो बाईप्लेन है वो उसकी विंग्स एक के ऊपर होते थे, एक के ऊपर एक. After a brief stint with the newly formed number 2 RIAF squadron, when the Marshal flew against the tribal forces, he later moved back to number 1 squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. He was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in 1944. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC in 1944. On the August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading a flypast of over 100 IAF aircraft over the Red Fort in Delhi. For his role in successfully leading the squadron, मतलब उन्होंने बड़ा सक्सेसफुली अपने स्क्वाड्रन को ये किया, मतलब दैट इज इज ग्रुप. ओके. इन द कॉम्बैट ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड एज ए डिस्टिंग्विश्ड फ्लायर क्रॉस, उसको उनको एक जाना पहचाना फ्लाइंग क्रॉस DFC से ये मिला, अवार्ड मिला. ऑन August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading the flypast of over 100 IAF aircraft over the Red Fort. यानी फ्लाई पास ये होते मतलब आप इफ़ यू सी ड्यूरिंग दिस 26 January, during 15th August, and also as well as in year also. See, it is mentioned in the 15 अगस्त, यहाँ पे 15 अगस्त को मेंशन किया 1940 से। मतलब वहाँ पे करतब दिखाए जाते हैं, एयरक्राफ्ट के वगैरह करतब वगैरह दिखाए जाते, अलग अलग तरह तरह के। उस टाइम ड्यूरिंग हम लोग फ्लैग होस्टिंग करते हैं उस टाइम को, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज फ्लाई पास्ट। मतलब वहाँ पे आसमान पे काफ़ी सारे एयरक्राफ्ट होते तरह तरह के, वो अपने करतब वगैरह वहाँ पे दिखाते हैं। तो on August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading the fly past। वो जो एयरक्राफ्ट के जो ये होते करतब वगैरह होते उसको लीड करने के लिए उन्हें ऑनर दिया गया था इन द रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली। After his promotions of the rank of wing commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. Immediately after Indian independence, he commanded Ambala in the rank of Group Captain. 1949, he was promoted to the rank of Air Commander and took over the Air Officer commanding of an operational command, which later came to be known as the Western Air Command. Okay, here I am going to stop here. In the next lecture we will be continuing it. तो इनके सारे अचीवमेंट्स इट इज़ एक्सप्लेन इन दिस लेसन। उन्होंने क्या क्या अचीव किया एट द वॉट एज, और उनको क्या क्या पदवी दिए गए, व्हाट आर द रैंक ये रिसीव्ड इन व्हाट ईयर, इट इज़ ऑल मेंशन ओवर हियर। आई होप यू गॉट इट। See you in the next lecture.